Welcome to Mathy Python. In this video, we look at problems and puzzles for episode 11, which is on working with files. There are problems across 3 tiers. Tier 1 is warm-up. We see how to create a file, read it back, filter rows from a CSV, and how to append to a file. We demonstrate the difference between write mode and append mode. In Tier 2, we look at computing an average from a CSV, writing a summary report, counting lines, words, and characters in a text file, adding a column to a CSV, and building a robust CSV reader that returns a list of dictionaries. In Tier 3, we look at word frequency from a file, a formatted student report, and an inverted index builder. Download the notebook from GitHub. The link is in the description. Open it in Jupyter and work through the problems that interest you. A solutions video will drop later. Happy programming.